Hello and welcome to Volatility 411 for May the 18th. At the risk of pointing out the obvious, there's a Groundhog Day element to the pandemic. Today it's compounded by the fact that it's Monday and the S&P 500 is right back at 2945, the high end of its recent range, just like last Monday. The VIX Index is back below 30, again just like last Monday, after flirting with 40 in the middle of last week. The S&P 500 is higher by about 2.5%, in part on some news from Moderna Inc. about positive results in a phase 1 trial in their COVID efforts. Over the past week, S&P 500 futures have moved from just below 2950 down to just above 2750, and now they've come back full circle. Crude oil continues to blast higher. It's back to about 32.5, which is 2-month highs. Gasoline is also making multi-month highs. Silver moved up significantly earlier today on US dollar weakness. Now, Fed Chair Powell's interview with 60 Minutes ran last night, which perhaps is playing a role in the currency market moves today. The VIX term structure is back in contango again. Standard May futures and options will expire and cash settle this Wednesday morning, the 20th. The expiring 29 strike straddle, which is the at the money, is pricing around 3.25. The VIX Index is back down to about 125. A significant number of well out of the money June and July standard VIX call spreads have been trading today. Now I'm talking about 70 strikes and higher. So we'll see if the broad market is able to push through this level of recent resistance and move back towards that 3,000 level. May VIX futures and options will expire this Wednesday morning. There's a whole lot of Fed speak this week, as well as the minutes from their last meeting. Finally, and certainly not least, welcome to the world, Jack Robert Sullivan, and a sincere congrats to my dear friends Brian and Laura. I'm Kevin, and that's Vol 411. Thanks for tuning in.